Hey Mud family, I'm back at the Battleground Mexican restaurant in Ravenna, Ohio, where we built this last summer. This beautiful Barbacoa oven, super big pizza oven, really massive, so that we can put a big pan of nopales and meat in there and just let it cook overnight. And this is what we've been working on today, though. We got a new Comal. This is a ceramic griddle, fired up by a little rocket heater under there. And we've got this other rocket heater for cooking soup or stock or gravy or whatever. And so we just finished building that up, and we'll be built a cover for it. This right here. And this cover is designed to protect it from the weather that we get here. And we do get weather here. So there we go. There's our fancy cover. So now that's done, we're off to Montana to play in the mud there, build some rocket heaters. And you can catch up with us there, unclemud.com.